Assalamu alaikum, magacaygu waa Sam, Mogadishu baan deganahay laakiin waxaan ka imid UK-ga. Waxaana rabaa inaan ka hadlo Somali with Abzi. Assalamu alaikum, my name's Sam. I live in Mogadishu but I'm originally from the UK, and in this short video I just want to talk about my experience learning Somali with Abzi. I first heard about Somali with Abzi a couple of years before I actually moved to Mogadishu myself, and I was so impressed with how he was able to communicate Somali idioms and expressions, and actually has such a good understanding of Somali grammar as well. I've actually found that it's quite rare, unfortunately, to find native Somali speakers who have a high enough level of English to articulate these sorts of things to us learners of the Somali language, like the most useful and impactful vocabulary and idioms and expressions that you'll really need for your life, whether it's here in Mogadishu or with Somali speakers anywhere in the world. Personally, after only about 2 months of lessons with Somali with Abzi, I was able to articulate the things that were the most important for my life here in Mogadishu. I was able to take up a judge, I was able to pay for things, I was able to go to the shop, ask how much things are, and have some nice little chit-chat with my mother-in-law and with my neighbours here in Mogadishu as well. So if you're serious about learning the Somali language, then I would highly recommend that you do so with Somali with Abzi.